So to help you when you see others that, and right now it seems to be everywhere that folks are irritated, feeling like they don't have enough time, you know, really dealing with all the three-dimensional aspects of the world that is falling down or crumbling. And that is going to continue for a bit longer. As we've stated before in our messages to you, this is a pivotal month. June, July, and August, the energies will continue to feel sometimes chaotic, but if you can step back far enough, you will feel the divine pureness of spirit that exists and that is being created in the new realities that are starting to exist all over the planet. Many things are beginning to be created in new form, and we're very, very excited for that and for you. We honor you for the work that you are doing and tell you that the thing that you can do to help Mother Earth, your fellow humans, the animals, and all the beings on your planet is simply to vibrate at the rate of love. There's really nothing more that you need to do, because when you vibrate at the rate of love, everything else falls into place. Set that intention before you go to bed. Set that intention when you get up in the morning. You will see through the eyes of spirit when you vibrate at the rate of love. Your source is always with you, and if you need our assistance, simply ask us to be there. We are always connected to you, and if you want our assistance or guidance, we will always be with you. Thank you for having us tonight. Thank you for connecting to us. We remind you that we love and honor you, and we appreciate that you have connected to us. Through our connection to you, we experience expansion as well. We are very excited about the expansion that is happening on your planet. And the last thing that we'd like to tell you is that keep your eye on your heart centers. Remember that everything good that is coming to your planet and to you as the human being species will be created through the heart centers of you. Thank you for having us tonight, and we will open ourselves to a few questions. Would anyone like to ask a question before we leave tonight?
Why does it seem like there's extra transitional vortexes happening?
Because there are. The transitional vortexes are being ramped up because of all the energies that are coming into and onto the planet at this point in time. Transitional vortexes because many are choosing to transition now, and many more will also choose to transition. Every day it seems as though someone that you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, several people that are choosing to transition, as well as other beings, animals. The transitional vortexes are simply here to facilitate that process.
That's what's changing all the colors around the plants and the animals and some of the people. And
some are. The other things that are changing some of the colors, and when you see colors, you're seeing the vibrational frequencies. The vibrational frequencies are changing because they're changing.
They're going higher.
They're going higher. And the good news is they are going higher. And even those folks, we shall say folks, we mean all beings, but even those people that are choosing not to truly open up to consciousness or to remember, they're shifting as well, simply because everyone else is shifting. And because you are all one, we are all one, One cannot shift without the other shifting. So the good news is it's all shifting. And so the vibrations that you normally sense are changing very, very rapidly. And the frequencies that are entering the earth from the sun, from the galaxies, the universe, and the beings that are assisting you are ratcheting it up even more. And so don't get used to anything, because those things that you see today may actually be different tomorrow. And the rate of change is accelerating. Anyone else have another question?
They had said that the best way to get through this is to sleep a lot. That's our best way of dealing with this.
Is sleep still helpful, is probably what you're asking.
Yeah.
Sleep is very, very helpful. So it's extremely important at this time, probably more than it has been in the past, to provide yourself with the sleep that you need. And the thing that you were referring to was, we had suggested that when some of the chaos, the tumultuous times happen, and you're feeling tired during the day and tired, you wake up tired, it's because you do need to sleep. And when you sleep, you're connecting to spirit. So not everyone is in the same position as they were 3 weeks ago, but we suggest that you give yourself enough sleep so that you are able to regenerate. Because when you are sleeping, you're regenerating, and when you are sleeping, you're connecting to source energy. And sometimes when the waves of chaos get a little bit harder or a little bit more pronounced and you're experiencing them, sleep is a good way to recharge your batteries, if you will.
And you also got the information that people are more irritable because when they're astro traveling, the energy around the planet is so much denser because of all the negative energy escaping or being released by Mother Earth, and they're not able to get through.
Well, as you know, thought is energy, and many people on this planet are very concerned about what's happening to the planet. There's many earth changes that people have been concerned about, and they will continue to happen. They're a bit more ramped up than they have been in the past. They are concerned about the economic structures and the governments and all the things that are happening on the planet. So as people worry and are concerned about that, those thought forms are energy. And those thought forms are stored in Mother Earth's energy body, if you will. And what happens during the night when you go to sleep and you travel, you do have to go through Mother Earth's energy body. And so we simply say this: it's nothing to be concerned about, but it can simply affect you because you are a human being in physical form, and that energy can affect you. When you go to sleep, simply set an intention that you are safe and you are protected, and know that if you do make those travels, that you can do so easily and with flow. But tapping into mass consciousness and traveling through the Earth's energy body, the energy body is a little denser right now, but we are working on, as you are working on, by providing and keeping your energy field in the vibration of love that will assist Mother Earth in clearing that. So yes, it does happen, but it's not something that is necessary to provide a lot of focus on, other than to understand that it can happen, and simply to focus your intentions on keeping yourself centered, keeping yourself in the state of love. And if you're tired and you're tired and sleepy, then get a little bit more sleep. We know that sounds simple, but that's really what you need to do. And this too shall pass. You're going to notice in the next 7 to 11, probably more like 10 to 11 and a half days, you're going to start feeling the energies lifting. And what we mean by that, we mean lifting, we mean raising in vibration, feeling lighter. And it's, you know, it's cyclical, it happens. And the best thing that you can do is to take care of yourself, take care of your vibration, and focus on the good things, focus on the love in your heart, and remove yourself as much as possible from that 3D world, because it is falling, it's disintegrating. We thank you for again for inviting us tonight. At this point in time, we will leave and we will talk to you again next time. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your energy. We send you our love and our light. Until next time.